Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the Jaguar watch is ready to adjust. Confirm the movement is running or the battery is charged, and place the watch face up on a soft cloth. Next, identify the crown type. If it screws down, you must unscrew it first, so you know how to pull it. Once done, remove the watch from your wrist to avoid strain and to access the crown easily. This protects the stem and gives you stable control for precise time setting. With the crown accessible, unscrew it counterclockwise if it's a screw-down model, then gently pull to the time-setting position, usually the second click. You turn the crown to move hands. Do this slowly to align minute and hour hands exactly. Make sure you advance past midnight to verify AM versus PM when setting date-sensitive models. If there's a quick-set date, be cautious. Avoid adjusting date between 8 p.m. and 4 a.m. to prevent damage to the date change gears. After setting the time, push the crown back in completely and screw it down clockwise on screw-down types to restore seal and water resistance. Then check secondary functions, seconds hand, chronograph, or GMT, and reset them as needed so everything runs synchronized. If the watch loses or gains time after a day, make sure the battery or movement power is adequate. Persistent drift means a regulation or service is required, so take it to an authorized technician rather than forcing repeated adjustments.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.